This is JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program is BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem. Course is Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation. And the session of today is Volume of Triple Integration. So, how to evaluate the volume of triple integration? As we know very well, volume is the three variable function. It has length, breadth and height. So here we have to find the volume by triple integration. So this is the problem in front of you. Evaluate triple integration volume x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx, where v is the volume of the cube bounded by the coordinate plane and the plane x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a. So this is the figure of the cube which is bounded by the plane x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to a, or x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a. Consider the elementary column parallel to z axis. The column is bounded by the plane z is equal to 0 and z is equal to a. Also the region above which volume v stands is bounded by the straight lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to a. So this is the volume of cube which is bounded by the dimensions given here. Hence the given triple integration can be expressed as the repeated integration, or this is volume v triple integration x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx. So upper limit of or lower limit of x y z is equal to limit of x 0 to a, again limit of y 0 to a, limit of z again 0 to a. It is because all have the same equation, x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to a, or in the first quadrant from it is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, y is equal to 0 to a, z is equal to 0 to a, x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx. So first of all it is integrated with respect to z, and x square y square created as a constant, and integration of only z function is integrated here, and x square become x square z, y square become y square z, and z square become z cube upon 3, and lower limit 0 to a and upper limit a, lower limit 0 and upper limit is a. So this is the next step of the integration, and putting the upper limit a at the place of z. Whenever we put a at the place of z, we found the function x square z, x square a plus y square a plus 1 upon 3 a cube. It is because whenever we put the 0 at the place of z, all term will vanish, सभी टर्म 0 हो जाएंगे, इसलिए माइनस 0 और फंक्शन केवल एक्स स्क्वायर ए प्लस वाई स्क्वायर ए प्लस 1/3 ए क्यूब ही रिमेनिंग फंक्शन बचेगा. अब इस फंक्शन को हम एक्स के रिस्पेक्ट में और वाई के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, और y के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेशन करने के लिए y को वेरिएबल ट्रीट करेंगे और शेष ट्रीटेड एज ए कांस्टेंट, और आफ्टर इंटीग्रेटिंग इट बिकम एक्स स्क्वायर ए वाई प्लस ए वाई क्यूब अपॉन 3 प्लस ए क्यूब वाई अपॉन 3 or lower limit 0, upper limit a. So putting the lower and upper limit at the place of y. First of all we have to put the upper limit at place y, then minus putting the limit of lower at the place of y. So at the place of y, when we put the y, the all term will vanish and only those term remaining in which we put at the place of y is equal to a. So remaining function will be a square x square plus a to the power 4 upon 3 plus a to the power 4 upon 3. So adding a to the power 4 upon 3 and again integrate it with respect to x, it become a square x cube upon 3 plus a 4x upon 3 plus a 4x upon 3, 0 to a. Upper limit a is put at the place of x and it gives the a to the power 5 upon 3 plus a to the power 5 upon 3 plus again a to the power 5 upon 3, and when we put 0 at the place of x, all term will vanish. So after adding these term we get the function a to the power 5. So this is the final answer of this question. Here we have find the volume with the help of triple integration. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you very much. See you.